Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Proton Mail secure email links for privacy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Proton Mail secure email links for privacy, start by opening your web browser. Search for Proton Mail. Click on the official Proton Mail website link. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create a free account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. Once your account is set up, log into Proton Mail. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Under the settings menu, find the Mail section. Scroll down until you see the Secure Email Links option. Enable the feature for secure email links. You might be prompted to confirm your choice. Do so. Now, go back to your inbox. Compose a new email by clicking on the Compose button. In the email body, write your message. To insert a secure link, highlight the text you want to make secure. Click on the link icon in the toolbar that appears. In the link settings, choose the option to make it a secure email link. Add your intended recipient's address to the secure link setting. Save the link and finish composing your email. Review your email for accuracy. When ready, click Send to deliver your message securely. You have now successfully installed and used secure email links in Proton Mail for enhanced privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.